Is your Facebook ad performance dropping over time? You might be facing ad fatigue. Here's how to avoid it and keep your campaigns fresh. First, rotate your creatives regularly. Even small changes like images, videos, or headlines can reset interest and keep your audience engaged. Try to refresh your ads every 2 to 4 weeks, depending on how fast your frequency climbs. Next, expand your audience or adjust your targeting. If your ads keep reaching the same people, they will tune out. Try adding new interest or lookalike audiences to show your ads to fresh eyes. Use automated rules in Ads Manager to control frequency. For example, set a rule to pause ads and if frequency goes above 3 or cost per result rises beyond your target. This helps you catch fatigue early and react fast. Finally, monitor your frequency metric closely. High frequency with rising costs is a clear sign of ad fatigue. And that's when it's time to swap creatives or broaden your targeting. Like this video, subscribe for more Facebook ad strategies, and comment if you need help keeping your ads performing.